Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BoBoU plastic hair dryer holder. Whoa! And this hair dryer holder is available in 3 different colors. You can get it in yellow, blue, black, and white. Wow. This wall-mounted hair dryer holder for hair dryers, electrical hair dryers. It's an holding system which is mounted to the wall without drilling thumb holes. That's cool. With space for plugs and a hook for cables. The BoBoU hair dryer holder allows us to use and store easily and efficiently. It also saves space in the bathroom. 3 colors to choose from. We can choose a color depending on the wall color, hair dry color, and our personal preferences. And it's really easy to assemble, as you can see, by only one person with only one hand, as you can see. That's awesome because this is good job. Yeah. Because it's easy to attach to the wall with acrylic adhesive pads on the back. It's made out of high quality plastic. The holder with acrylic adhesive pad can be glued to the surface of the glass, of metal, and tiles. We attach it only to flawless and clean surfaces. The adhesive film can usually be easily removed without leaving any residue. Of course, you have to clean the surface first, as you've seen in that video here. Then remove the cover and get the side right on top of it. On top of the wall, of course. And then let it rest for 12 hours. The adhesive film is extremely adhesive, waterproof, and moisture resistant. We make sure we squeeze out the air before use and we leave it for 12 hours. Then we can attach the hair dryer holder system easily by getting it in position. The BoBoU hair dryer holder is easy to install, as you can see. Requires no drilling, as you can see, which is practical and beautiful, as you can see. It takes up a little space and keeps our hair dryer and bathroom in order. Of course, 3 colors to choose from, and we can choose a color depending on the wall color, the color of our hair dryer, and of course our personal preferences. And the matching holder for our hair dryer, as you can see. Small hair dryers matches. And of course, big and large hair dryers matches too. The holder is made of high quality plastic. We do not need any worry about splashing water. The material used is waterproof and moisture resistant. And really easy to install without drilling, as you can see. And then it is on the wall and it keeps there. We stick the acrylic adhesive on a clean surface according easily. At this video you can't see it. We press out the air and wait for approximately 12 hours. Then the hair dryer holder can attach to the wall completely. The adhesive film can be easily removed without leaving any residue. That means no damage to the wall. And it's not only a dryer holder, it's a multifunctional holder. This holder is not only for the hair dryer designed and plug, but also for our small accessories. Hair bands or jewelry designed to meet additional requirements during use. And we have a large inner diameter with an inner diameter of up to 80 millimeter. This hair dryer holder is suitable for the most hair dryer size on the market. You can see in that video, we used a big one, a big hair dryer, and of course a tiny little one. And both are matches really good into the BoBoU plastic hair dryer holder, which is available in 3 other colors, of course. This is a cool little helper in our bathroom. The good old bathroom helping and designed stuff here is by BoBoU. And this BoBoU plastic hair dryer is nice and not so expensive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.